Hello guys, Alex the Grumpy one here. Today is a quick day to show off a new tool that I got here, OTOFIX D1. So this is a brilliant tool if you DIY or if you workshop. I'm going to use it today as I've done a full service on my VW Scirocco 2009. I'm going to use it to reset the service light, and I'll show you how easy it is and what functions you have got on it. So it comes in a nice great tool case, as you can see there. So this is the dongle that you plug in into your BD socket, which is great because you got the light there as well. That shines, so if it's dark you don't need a torch, you can find the socket using that. You got a plug there to plug in the tool in case you need to update the actual dongle. And then here we go, obviously this comes with the protector on, I've used it already. You got a charger plug there and all the cables that you're going to need in case you want to charge the tool. So that's all there, and obviously there's the tool with the camera on the back. All the manuals are there as well. So tool is real light, it's like a tablet basically, well it is a tablet. So you got the power button on the top there that you can see to power it up, which is what I'm going to do now. Now the first power up is usually quite long. You got screen protector on there still as well. The first power up quite long, you need to register the tool, and you also need to do all the updates so you can get all the new stuff on there. So it works on all the new cars, and they're also constantly updating it. So that's a great bonus of this tool. It's nice and dark here, so press the button, and as you can see, you'll find the socket. As soon as you plug it in, the light will come on, the green light comes on, and obviously turn the ignition on. As you can see, service light is on now, so service now. Now the LCD got amazing quality, it's really nice, responsive as well. Like I said, you can use it as a tablet as well. You got camera, you get web browser there as well, home button. That takes you back to the main screen, as you can see there. So all the settings are there, but today, like I said, we're just doing a quick service. So if you want to go into diagnostics, it got auto VIN recognition. As you can see already, been connected to the car for a bit, so it found the VIN already. So all you have to do is just press that and it starts scanning the vehicle. So that's pretty cool. Going back, what we're doing today is service, and hopefully, yeah, oil reset is there. If you want to do electronic handbrake rear pads replacement, this is there as well, and lots of other different stuff is included on this tool already. So just go oil reset. So here we are guys, you can do auto reset, or you can got specific ones where you can change the date when you want the service to come back again. So there's the message, it was successfully reset, and that's it. So it just tells you what happened, and that's pretty much it. So all you have to do now is just turn the ignition off and back on, and the oil light should be reset. So here we are guys, servicing 9,400 miles or 365 days. Like I said, you can change the miles and days using this tool as well. To change the mileage, all you do is change the interval, and there's the options that you get. You just press the number and it'll do it for you. So there we are guys, it's a brilliant tool, I highly recommend it. It's currently on about £430 on the website, the link in the description below, and I can also probably get you a discount code as well, so do message me before you decide to buy one, and if I can get you a discount code, I'll definitely help you out to save you some money. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and have a good day. Bye.